Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the Minelab latest version 3.3 script. So viewers, this is the mining website. If you also want to make your own cloud mining website, then you are on the right video. In this video I am gonna make the complete website from scratch. First of all, I'm gonna give you the complete overview of this website, its user panel, and this website is completely controllable from admin panel. So it means you don't need any coding knowledge to make this website. You just have to install the script on hosting and it will be live, and you can manage this website from admin panel. So if you are a beginner, you don't need to worry about anything. So if you want to purchase this website from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description. So you can contact us and we will build the complete website for you. And if you need any other design of the website, it has 3 other templates as well. So you can change the design from admin panel. So in order to get the complete knowledge about this, you have to watch this video till the end without missing any part. So let's start this video. First of all, viewers, here you can see that this text, logo, etc. everything is changeable from admin panel. Currently it's a demo, but at the end we will completely make this website from scratch. So first I'm giving you the demo. Here is a start mining option, so user can click on it and user can start its mining. First of all, here user can calculate its earning according to its plan. The plan user have subscribed to, user can calculate its earning. Here you can list these things from admin panel. You can list about your website. Here are the frequently asked questions section that you also list from admin panel. You can see all the transactions. User can see latest transactions on the website. And here are the plans on the mining plans. You can see different coins, AD, Ethereum, Litecoin plan. So user can invest in these mining plan and you can read about them, these plans, and daily profit, weekly profit. So you can set these things from admin panel. So these are all the mining plan. If user want to invest in any plan, user can click on buy now and user can invest in any plan. Here is a blog section. So you can also, admin can insert the blogs on the website and user can read these blogs. Here is the special features. You can list features of the website. Here you can list the client testimonials, and this is a photo section. You can add your social media links, website details, location, everything. You can list them in this section. If user want to visit these pages separately, like about page, user can visit these pages separately as well. Here is mining page. So this is how user can visit all the pages separately. Here's a contact page, and so user can contact the admin of website. So you can list all your contact details in the contact section. If user want to use this website in multiple languages or any of your country language, user can use it. So admin can insert any of the country language from admin panel. Here is the register page. So if user don't have an account, user can register his account by filling these simple details. If user already have an account, user can go to login, and here user have to fill its username and password, and user can log in. So now we already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. So here we'll enter my username and here I'll enter my password. Fill the reCAPTCHA, and when I click on login, so first of all let's fill the reCAPTCHA. After filling reCAPTCHA, click on login and it will log you into your user panel dashboard. So this is the amazing dashboard of the user. First of all, user can see its balance, user can see all its referral commission. Viewers, this Minelab script is completely new in market and it has 2 different templates as well, like designs as well, and colors also are changeable, so you don't need to worry about anything. And it's completely mobile friendly website. Mobile users can also easily use this kind of website. So mobile users can also easily use it, so you don't need to worry about anything. And if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support as well. Here user can see his balance, referral bonus, etc. Latest transaction will be shown to here. Shown user to here. Here is a withdraw section. So here user can go to withdraw now and withdraw its money using any of the wallets. So currently, first of all, to take the withdraw, we must have to create the wallet. So we must need wallet balance in order to withdraw money. Currently we don't have any balance, as you can see it over here, so we cannot withdraw any money. But when user have balance, user can withdraw its money. Here user can go to start mining in order to start mining. Suppose I want to invest in any plan. Suppose this is a $10 plan for 3 years and all these details were here. So here how we will deposit. So it has directly deposit. You can directly deposit in plan and invest in plan. Here you can choose payment method. You can invest using balance or you can invest using direct payment. So here you can go to click on buy now. Here you can invest using any of the gateways. So there are many automatic payment gateways: Skrill, Perfect Money, PayPal, Paytm, Payoneer, Razorpay, Stripe, crypto gateway, coin payment, coin gate, and money BTC pay. All these gateways are available, and user can use any of the gateway in order to invest in plan. And admin can also make the manual payment gateway from admin panel, which means that you can use your country gateways like EasyPaisa, JazzCash, Paytm, or any gateway user wanna use, admin wanna use. Admin can insert it from admin panel. So here you can see all your mining profits, like going to track mining, and you can see all your mining profit over here, and you can all see all your invoices for the plans. Here you can go to my referrals, and here you can see your referral link. The people you invite using this link will be appeared under your referral, and you can also earn money through referrals. You can see all your referral bonus log. Here you can generate, user can generate the support tickets. Here is the account setting, like you can see your achievements. You can set your profile, change password on 2FA. Here user can create its wallets. So here currently there is no wallet because we don't have any balance in account, but when admin will create the wallet, we can recharge using that wallet. Here we can see all payment log, transaction, and here is logout option. So this was all about the user panel of this website, and now viewers, I'll go directly to the admin login page, and I'll show you the admin panel of this website. So let's go to the admin panel. So viewers, now I'm on my admin login page. Here you can see details are already entered in the demo. Now demo admin. So here we'll go to login, and it will log me into my admin panel. So we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this amazing mining website. So here you can see the total users on the website, total active users, email unverified, mobile unverified, total miners on the website. You can see total mining plans, and here you can see total sales, total invested amount, and you can see different analysis graph for analysis of investment. And here you can do the analysis from here. Here admin can see all the notification over here, like user registration, user invested amount, and every notification will come here, so you can view them. And admin wanna change password, admin can change its details from here. Here we'll go to manage users, and from here admin can completely manage all the users. So we'll go to details option. Here if admin wanna add balance to any user account, admin can add balance or subtract balance from user account from here. Admin can ban the user, admin can log in as user, and admin can verify KYC and all these things. You can see admin can do these tasks from here. Here admin wanna create the miners like BTC miner, Ethereum miner. So admin can come here and create a miner for the website. Here from here we will create the mining plans. Currently there are 14 plans already. If you wanna disable them, you can do them. Edit them, you can edit the plans as well. Like suppose I want to edit them, like here you have to enter your plan title, miner name like Litecoin miner or BTC miner, in type the price of plan, return type, return per day. Here you can set the speed for miner and period and maintenance costs. So you can manage these things up from here, and you can list all the mining details and description for the plan. If you want to create new plan, just click on add new, fill these details, and you can create a new plan to your website. In mining track, you can track the mining for all the users, and everything will be appeared over here. So all the investments will come here, you can see them. Here is a badge management, like you can give user different badges, or this is a ranking option. You can use this to give user bonuses, etc. on some achievements. Here the payment, so when user will request a payment like deposit, it will come here, and from here you can approve user payment or reject it. So you can see all payment related activities, and here are the withdrawal related activities. Same withdrawal request will come here, and you can approve withdrawals and reject withdrawals from here. From system settings, here we'll go to general settings. From here you can change the name of website, you can insert your own business name, you can change the preloader name, you can change the currency, and you can use this website in your local currency as well. You can change time zones, secondary colors, and some crypto APIs. You can use them from here. Here if you want to change the logo of the website and you want to insert your own logo, just click on it and you can easily change logo. So you can see how easy it is to manage the website. From system configuration, you can turn on off different settings like email verifications, user registration, mobile verification, referrals, bonuses, language options, SMS notifications. So you can turn them on off. KYC verifications, you can turn them on off from here. You can manage the notification settings. Here are payment gateways. So you can see there are many automatic payment gateways available like Now Payments, Roser Pay, Stripe. All of them are available. Like Binance is also available. So if you wanna edit it, you can use it from here. Just put your API keys and merchant ID, and you can use merchant gateway. If you want to use the manual gateway, from here you can click on add new, and you can create the manual gateway by filling these simple details. And you can create any gateway like JazzCash, Paytm, PayPal. Manual gateway you want to create, you can easily create it from here. Here is SEO configurations, so you can do the SEO of website directly from here. Here you can manage the KYC settings. Here are the referral settings. So you can create multiple levels of referral commission, and so user will get that commission on the investments. From manage front end, you can, as I told you, each and everything that is on the home page of this website is editable. Suppose I want to edit banner section, so I can easily edit each and everything that is on the banner. From here you can change the banner. Here you can change the about us section, so you can change the about us section. And all these things, all the sections that are on the home page of your website were changeable, and you can change them easily. From manage pages, you can add or remove pages to your website, so it's very simple to add or remove pages. You can manage the templates. Here you can see that there are many different 3 templates are here. Currently we are using the basic template, but it has the dark gold template. Here is another gold template. So all of the templates are very amazing in mining. So you can just click on select, and you can just change the template design of the website in single click. So if you buy from us, you will get all of them, and we will completely provide you support with everything. So you don't need to worry about anything. Just contact us and we will provide you what you want. From a language, you can insert the language on the website. Click on add new, and by filling these details you can add a language. From extensions, you can insert live talk to your website, Google Analytics, reCAPTCHAs. You can manage them from here. You can set up cron job. Policy pages are here. Here you can turn on off maintenance mode of your website. You can on off GDPR cookies, and all these things are manageable from here. So this was the complete overview of this website, viewers. Now we will go to our hosting H panel, and we will completely install this script on my hosting, so you can view that how we will make the website. Now if you don't want to do any of that process or installation, domain buying, hosting buying, so you can directly contact us, and we will provide you complete website with admin panel. So now let's go and let's install this script. Viewers, if you want to purchase this website, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. And viewers, before moving towards the next part, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. So viewers, to install this Minelab latest version script, what you have to do is you have to go to your file manager. So here I'll go to my file manager option. So you can use it on Hostinger or cPanel. So it depends on you which hosting you are using. It will work on any shared hosting. So you don't need to worry about anything. So here it will redirect us to public HTML folder. So we'll go to public HTML. So I am installing it on my subdomain. So here you can see that I have already uploaded the script here in order to save our time. So here what you have to do is you have to extract all the files from this script. So it is extracting all the files into our root directory, and the files are extracted successfully. Now what you have to do is you have to type your domain name over here. So here we will type our domain name, and it will redirect us to installer window. So let me tell you, this is for multiple domains. It means that you can use this script on multiple times on multiple domains. Here click on I agree. Next step. Here you can see that all the requirements. So here we have to give all these permissions. So we'll go to core, bootstrap. So we'll give permission to cache. After that we have to give permission to the storage folder over here. Similarly, some other permissions were there that we have to give permission in order to move next to in our installation procedure. So here I'll click permission to framework. Here we'll give permission to logs folder over here. After giving this permission, just refresh the page, and here you have to click on next step. So here this is the page where we have to put all our database details. So first of all we have to create the databases from here. We'll go to database management section. So here we have to type our database name and username in order to create the database. So you can use any of the name here. Currently I am entering these details and click on create and your database will be created. So after creation of database, what you have to do is you have to copy the name from here and we'll put our database details in this section. Here you have to enter admin credentials, so carefully enter all these credentials. After that you have to click on install now, and here you can see that our script has installed successfully. So now what we have to do is we have to click on go to website and activate, and our script will be live. So viewers, you can see that our script is live now. You can see it is on my subdomain demo2.scriptsmasher.com. So our script is live now and you can completely now use this and manage this website. So this is the third template, was default template. So you can change template from admin panel as I showed you. So viewers, if you want to buy this source code or if you want us to build the complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. And viewers, before ending this video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching this video.